Hello guys, you're welcome. In today's video, I will share with you a platform where you learn profit daily simply by completing tasks as ordered. Do well to watch to the end to know other ways of earning. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on post notifications. For registration, enter your email, login password, and make sure you have an invite code. Once you're done, tap on Registered Account. After registering a successful account, you will find the recharge, withdrawal, and invite on the homepage. And when you scroll down, you will see the various VIPs at the membership level and agency revenue display the bottom of the page. Now, if you go to mine, you will find your $50 registration bonus that will help you buy any of the VIP level. Now, if you go back to membership level at the homepage, you'll see the amount needed to buy any of the VIPs and the profits you will earn daily. So if you buy VIP 1 with $5, you'll earn 40% profit, which is $2.89. And when you buy VIP 2 with $20, you'll earn $25 profit after completing the task. You earn real profit if you invest in VIP 2 and above, because you'll be able to withdraw principal plus profit. I want to buy VIP 1, so I will scroll up and select Recharge. So here, I will copy the USDT address and go to my wallet to do the deposit. Over here, I'll paste the USDT address and enter the amount I want to recharge and confirm it. When I'm done, I'll go back to the website and wait for some time. As you can see, the amount has reflected. So now, L will tap on Start Making Money to start the task. I will tap on Start Grabbing Orders and submit the order to complete it. I will repeat the same process until I'm done with all the 5 tasks. It is successful, so I will go to the homepage and tap on Withdraw. I will add my wallet address and enter my fund password. When I'm done, I'll tap on Confirm Modification. Now, I will enter the amount and my fund password. Once I'm done, we'll tap on Withdraw. My withdrawal is successful, so now, we'll wait for some time. If you go to Invite on the homepage, you'll be able to see your invite link and code to refer your friends. If you invite friends to register and recharge, the platform will give you some reward as referral commission. The reward you earn depends on the level of your subordinates and the amount they recharge. I have waited for some time, so now, I will go to my wallet and check if my withdrawal has reflected. As you can see from here, the amount has been paid successfully, and there was no withdrawal fee deducted. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification.